war where we dey fight against drug abuse na part of next level agenda. Presido Muhammadu Buhari na im talk this one, and this ogbonge informate so na on top with tori for today. Reports wey dem submit for State House by Chairman of Presidential Advisory Committee on the Elimination of Drug Abuse, PACEDA, Brigadier General Buba Marwa retired. He tok say Naija get serious drug wahala wey dem suppose use all body take fight. He tok say the 2018 National Drug Use Survey e don show say the country get high number of people wey dey use drugs, and the number wey dem bring na 14.4%, and this one na 3 times of the one wey the whole world get, wey be 5.5%, the one wey come from 2019 drug reports.
Important and instructive finding by the committee was the lack of cohesion and coordinated response among the different MDAs tasked with responsibilities for addressing Nigeria's drug issue. Nigeria has a brilliant national drug policy, the National Drug Control Master Plan. Yet, there was no real ownership of the country's drug policy. Nobody to hold accountable for the failure of the implementation of the country's drug response.
This report constantly shows say Southwest Zone for Nigeria na im get the highest number of people where they use drugs anyhow, and the percentage na 22.4%. As e be say Lagos State gets estimated number of 2.1 million people where they use drugs anyhow, wey oyinbo dey call drug abuse. The committee come talk say make dem declare wetin they call state of emergency, na say me everybody ready gidigba, say dem must to fight this war to win drug abuse katakata for the country, as dem go need standard National Drug Control Commission, the one wey go fit shook eye for drug abuse matter.
The committee recommends the formal launch of war against drug abuse. We also recommend a deliberate, concerted, and consistent funding of Nigeria's drug response. For the purpose of this emergency, we suggest that a certain percentage of Nigeria's annual budget is dedicated to Nigeria's drug response. It is that bad.
Nigeria Presido Muhammadu Buhari, he can salute the committee on top the work with them they do to see say them put body well on top this war to win drug abuse, as he can salute Office of the First Lady, Dana Dr. Aisha Buhari, and Office of the Wife of Vice Presido on top what they do for this initiative.
I commend you for a work well done, and I have no doubt your report will provide the platform for a final onslaught of the menace of drug abuse. I specifically commend the First Lady and wife of the Vice President for their initiatives, commitment, and contributions towards tackling the challenges of drug abuse in Nigeria.
President Muhammadu Buhari can talk say unless them clear drug matter for the country, the crime rate and all the jaga wey they share for the country no go fit comot. He talks say them go study the report as part of the next level mandate na to carry Naija wakafa, and this one na part of wetin them they plan.
I am therefore assuring Nigerians and our foreign partners that this is a matter of foremost importance. We will study the report and the recommendations for implementation appropriately. As a government, we have the responsibility to ensure the security and well-being of our people. I call on all well-meaning Nigerians to join hands with relevant government agencies in the fight against drug abuse.
Nigeria President Muhammadu Buhari can salute the support wey dem dey get from international bodies them and many organizations and people wey don join federal government to see say dem do ogbonge fight on top drug katakata as e dey affect many youths and the people wey dey the country. And this one, as e be saying, a next level agenda in administration ready shook ogbonge body put. Now here we see and reach on top with tori for today, as President Muhammadu Buhari don yanam gidigba give them for State House Abuja, say the war wey in administration the fight against drug abuse na part of the next level agenda wey them get. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring and come give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to get this ogbonge and clear informate, Mona no forget to like, comment, and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And our fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website dey gidigba pod for www.tlivemedia.com. So they get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.